Hey traders from around the world, welcome to your July real life trading challenge. We're here at Percy Warner Park. Got some amazing people behind the camera and we're just doing a little bit of a quick walk and hike. Speaking of walk and hike, we're gonna have 3 challenges this month as we have every single month. It's called real life trading. So we have 3 challenges, 1 challenge that is synonymous with each one. So the real challenge for this month, this is the tough, physical, real part, right? The real hard challenge is going to be run or walk 20 miles every single week. It's gonna be a fun goal, but I gotta do that to get ready for something I'm doing in August. So I'll be running at least 20 miles a week. It doesn't have to be in one day, right? There's 7 days in a week. So 20 miles every single week for this month. And then the life challenge. The month of July is sports month. That's the theme. So this particular month, I want you to play a sport that you've never played before in your entire life. I don't know which one I'm gonna pick this month, but I'll keep you all posted and let you know which sport it is. My girl Carrie back there saying Frisbee, disc golf. I'm an avid disc golfer, so I won't be playing that one. Although you're welcome to play any sport you want, as many times as you want. Just pick one that you've never played before and do it in the month of July. All right, and the trading challenge for this month is pick one day out of the month of July, focus on just one stock the entire day, trade the stock and trade it profitably. That's gonna be the trading challenge in the month of July. That's it, really quick video. I look forward to seeing all of your posts, results, and updates, and I'll be back in August for volunteer month. Until then, my friends, keep being amazing and enriching lives. You rock.